Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been buzzing everywhere: intermittent fasting. You've probably heard about it. Maybe a friend tried it, or you saw it on social media. But what's the real science behind it? Is it just another diet trend, or is there something more to it? Well, stick around, because we're about to break down everything you need to know, from how it works on a cellular level to the potential benefits and who it might be right for. First things first, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Let's clear up a common misconception. It's not about what asterisks you eat, but when you eat. It's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. There are several popular methods. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours a day and having an 8-hour eating window. Think of it as skipping breakfast and having your first meal at noon and your last one at 8 p.m. Then there's the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to about 500-600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Another one is Eat Stop Eat, which involves a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. The key is finding a pattern that fits your lifestyle. So, what happens in your body when you fast? This is where it gets really interesting. When you haven't eaten for a while, several things start to happen. Your body's insulin levels drop significantly. Insulin is the hormone that helps your body store energy from food. When its levels are low, it signals your body to start burning its stored fat for energy instead of glucose from your last meal. This is a crucial metabolic switch, moving you from a sugar-burning state to a fat-burning state. It's one of the primary reasons intermittent fasting can be effective for weight management. Your body essentially becomes more efficient at using its own fat stores for fuel. But the magic doesn't stop there. Have you ever heard of a process called autophagy? It sounds complex, but the concept is simple. The word autophagy literally means self-eating. During a fast, your cells initiate this amazing cleanup process. They identify and remove old, damaged, and dysfunctional proteins and components inside the cells. Think of it as your body's internal recycling and repair program. This cellular housekeeping is vital for cellular health and longevity. By clearing out the junk, your cells can function more efficiently. Some research suggests that this process may play a role in protecting against various age-related conditions. It's like giving your body a chance to press the reset button on a cellular level. Let's talk about another key player: human growth hormone, or HGH. Fasting can cause a significant increase in the levels of HGH in your blood. This hormone is important for well growth, but also for metabolism, muscle repair, and body composition. Higher levels of HGH can facilitate fat burning and muscle gain. So, while you're in a fasted state, your body is creating an environment that's conducive to preserving muscle mass while targeting fat stores for energy. This is a powerful combination for anyone looking to improve their body composition. Now, let's connect these hormonal and cellular changes to the tangible benefits people report. The most well-known benefit is, of course, weight loss and a reduction in belly fat. By lowering insulin and increasing HGH, intermittent fasting makes it easier for your body to burn fat. Plus, by limiting your eating window, you often naturally consume fewer calories without feeling overly restricted. But the benefits extend beyond the scale. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which is a big deal for metabolic health. Improved sensitivity means your body is better at managing blood sugar levels, which can lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. There are also potential benefits for your heart. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve several risk factors for heart disease, such as bad LDL, cholesterol, blood triglycerides, and inflammatory markers. It's a holistic approach that impacts multiple systems in your body, all working together to improve your overall cardiovascular health. And what about your brain? This is a really exciting area of research. Fasting has been shown to increase a brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, Low levels of BDNF have been linked to depression and other brain issues. Increasing it may have protective effects on your brain cells, encourage the growth of new neurons, and potentially protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Many people who practice intermittent fasting report feeling sharper, more focused, and having more mental clarity during their fasting periods. So, with all these potential benefits, is intermittent fasting for everyone? Not necessarily. It's crucial to listen to your body. If you have a history of eating disorders, this is not a recommended approach. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with certain medical conditions like diabetes, should definitely consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to their eating schedule. Your doctor can help you determine if it's a safe and appropriate choice for your specific health needs. Starting slow is key. You don't have to jump into a 24-hour fast. Maybe begin with a 12-hour fast and gradually extend it as your body adapts. Hydration is also incredibly important. Drink plenty of water, and you can also have black coffee or tea during your fasting window. To sum it all up, intermittent fasting is much more than just a way to cut calories. It's a powerful tool that can shift your body's metabolism, trigger essential cellular repair processes, and optimize key hormones for fat loss, muscle preservation, and even brain health. It taps into ancient biological mechanisms that have been with us for millennia. But like any health strategy, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works for you, your body, and your lifestyle. The science is compelling, but personal experience and medical guidance are what truly matter. I hope this deep dive into the science of intermittent fasting was helpful and cleared up some questions you might have had. It's a fascinating topic with a lot of promising research behind it. If you've tried intermittent fasting, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. What worked for you? What challenges did you face? Let's get a conversation going. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.